Hey guys, we received this resistor booster fan for test and try. This fit 4 by 10 inches resistor holes with a vent fan. So it's a really nice the scent diffuser as well if you want to use that. So I will show. And this one have this nice package and thing. So let me just take out everything and then show it to you. So this is a really nice thing just to increase or the boost your fan thing. And as you can see, like it's all plastic and a nice build quality. I have a long cable and also have this accessory scent thing. So these filters you can put absorbing some diffuser oils and you can just put it in here. So you can easily use it as a scent diffuser or the oil diffuser as well. So either you can use single or you can use both, and they have the two fans here and long cable or the charging thing that comes, and you can see that start working. So I am showing it to you right now just for some demo, and you can control the speed. So there are 10 speeds and you can see like the fan working, and you can control everything here. And you can also set like a thermostat, like the summer stuff or the winter thing, and it will act accordingly. So they have the different features. You can add the, and as I mentioned, you can add the scent as well, and then you can just put it on the top and you can use it the way you want. And also like there are the screws if you want to just add it with the screws. So everything is provided. Also have the remote where you can have to put in the batteries. So two control method, manual or the remote controlled one. So everything is really nice, and this fits really well with this 4 by 10 thing and the diffuser stuff, and you can easily control, and I can feel a good air. So it's a nice booster with the oil diffuser with the summer mode, winter mode, and a manual mode. And it detects the temperature and acts accordingly. So pretty nice, and with all the kits and stuff with a nice booster effect. Overall it's a really nice booster thing with the oil diffuser stuff.